What's up, guys? We are at the Ultimate Off-Road Field Trip. This is our crew right here. This is who we're leading. All these great group of guys. We got 11 people. There goes Holly and the Mischief Maker. So what this is basically a fan ride, but for multiple content creators. It's gonna be a fun time. We're out here at Windrock, and we've got a couple more of these coming up, so make sure to check those out. We have a lot of rain coming, so stay tuned. Looks like a turd. Got my rain suit on. It's gonna be a fun day, guys. We're gonna run over and do Trail 3 at Windrock, and then we're gonna jump back down 3, do 40A, and then up Cadillac. That's assuming everything goes to plan. So we'll see how this goes. It's raining today. I'd say it's about 70 degrees. And 100% humidity, and we are supposed to have a lot of rain coming in at some point today. It's red. When you look at the radar, it's just a bunch of red and pink coming towards us, so hopefully we don't get swept off the side of the mountain. But yeah, let's hit some stuff. Then there's a Y farther on up there. If you go to the left, it's much more difficult than this. What do you guys think of my garb?
I like it.
A little smart.
Kinda wish I would have thought of that.
You're wearing the wrong shirt there.
Talk to my wife. She just ordered me this one.
There you go. You got some cheater tires. I'm telling you, Cherokees, man, they crawl everything. Right.
What's up?
Cherokees.
Yep. Cherokees, that's it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I don't think they're gonna listen to me. The hard line is to the left, bypass to the right. Whew, I'm worn out already.
It's only 11 a.m.
Oh man, I need more Dr. Pepper. I don't know what's going on with my Jeep, but it's running on 5 cylinders. Now we're gonna come up here and do the hardest section. And I've got nobody to film, so you're just gonna have to trust that I did it. Woo! That was fun. That section right there is really hard because off one side there's a tree, and then the like nothingness, and then the rock, and it's just hard to get up through there, especially right now when it's pouring down rain. What you got going on there?
She's smooshed and wet.
All right, guys, we decided not to do Cadillac because we're running short on time. This is trail 15, so we've come over closer to the parking lot. Just gonna hit a couple of trails. And since I'm in front, once again, I don't get footage of myself, which is fine. But if you ask why, that is why. Look at how cool this is. We're on the trail, and above you are roots. It's like we're underground exploring here. Alright, so Josh is in the middle now. Right in the V-notch of Trail 15 here. I heard some metal crunching. Josh, at least let me get video of it if you're gonna full send.
Ran the entire driver's side down the wall.
Josh. Your tire came off.
I tried to tell him.
Feel like a circus clown. He did it again.
In 5 minutes.
Now it's all wadded up. Why did you do that?
It worked last time.
That means you need a new Jeep now.
A Wrangler.
Yeah.
You need a Wrangler.
Yeah. Oh no.
Oh, it's bad back there.
I think it's buggy time now for Josh. Power. Nice job. One shot at it.
Hey, ho! Hey! Back up!
I guilted him into taking the buggy line. Yeah! Got Jeeps everywhere, doing sketchy things. I'm right in the middle. All right. Oh! I just got blasted. Oh no, what is Josh doing? This is crazy. Yeah!
Good thing my wife ain't here.
She's gonna see this video.
Seeing it and living is two different things.
I don't know what Josh is doing over here. Are you trying to have a yard sale?
I don't know what's going on up here.
Covered in mud. Woo! Almost got hit.
That went right there.
Junk. Can't tell about the stub yet. The inner's definitely junk. Inner and welded.
This is still good.
Keep that.
But I think you can weld this back
Oh,
together.
let's just put all this back together. We'll be good.
No, never mind. Oh my.
If that bugs you, why do you keep doing it?
It already had the Band-Aid there. I just need a bigger one.
Bigger Band-Aid.
I don't make bigger band-aids. You'll just have to have multiple.
Use them like stitches.
All right, guys, we made it to the top of Trail 15, and we're gonna call it for the day. We're gonna go eat some food. Anybody not have a good day?
Oh, great time. Good time.
All right. Awesome. We'll see you tomorrow. All right. Let's do it. Josh is over here making midnight repairs to his Jeep, trying to get the window to be able to roll up so that, oh, look at that, so that it doesn't get rain in it tomorrow.
Little professional bodywork stuff here, huh?
I told him one of these days he's gonna learn not to send it so hard.